My name is Oliver and I'm your factoryworkx success coach. Today I'm going to show you how you can enter machine status data into the factoryworkx data collection app to track downtime by reason. If not already set, select your equipment, machine or line that is listed in the left navigation under channels. Then pick your station on the right. Confirm downtime tracking to get to the different events for the selected station. At the moment, we are experiencing a downtime due to part quality issues. Just now, we had the station up and running again, and I confirm it by pushing the green Up button. After pushing the button, you have the possibility to undo your selection by pushing the undo pop-up or accept your selection by letting pass the counter until the undo pop-up disappears. The event is now loaded to the cloud and saved into factoryworkx. In parallel, notifications are being sent out and dashboards are showing the new status of the station. If another downtime occurs, push the OK buttons to select a downtime. If the line status changes again, repeat the steps mentioned before. Thank you for watching this tutorial.